Kapips, meron tayong unboxing ng iPhone Pro Max. Go! Wow, it's a nice phone. It's a nice phone.
Yeah.
Wow. It's 256 gigabyte.
There's an
Comes with
alien
the-
here.
Yeah, comes with an 18 watts charger.
And what's an
Of course, the pin and
earbuds?
yeah. Okay. Ang performance niya is okay. Lagay natin sa case. Ang case natin is Spec Precision.
This is what it looks like.
Okay. Lagay natin siya. Put there. Okay.
Wait.
Here. Yeah. $256 gig. Kapips. The review of this iPhone 11 Pro Max, maganda siya, sulit siya, I got it from Smart. May additional ako cash out na 1,600 for the Pro Max. 1,064 pesos for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Para lang 256 gig. Sulit siya. By the way, here's my daughter. Say hi. Ay, katulad nga ng camera na ito. Example. Ito. Ito. Tsaka ang bilis ng internet. Sobra. Sulit. I recommend getting this, especially for vloggers na pwede na ito pang vlog. Re-review natin to sa outdoors. Okay? Okay mga kapips. Good night. God bless.